That's what you get.
I just mocked landing and I was under him.
Give me that. Let's go. YouTube, I'm about to break some ankles for you guys. You ready? Oh, ankles already. Ankles already. Ankles already. Oh, wow. I got picked up.
Oh, my God. He picked him up.
He picked you up. I mean, he picked me up.
Landon, he just picked him up and slammed him.
Oh, no. I had to stash it. So when I say, oh, I got picked up and slammed. Oh, you're up the middle. Dive. Let's go.
Didn't get nowhere, though.
But I got a first down, though. What you talking about? 24 yards. Let's go.
Go from the right.
Oh, I threw it. No. Oh, I accidentally threw it again.
Dude, how did you get down there?
I got launched. That's all I'm going to say.
Ooh. You heard that, Kevin? Somebody said, oh, wow. I just got that.
Easy. I'm too good. Too good.
I'm and what's that? I don't care, Keyston. You can put my plate up if you're so worried about it.
Oh, yeah. Let's go.
How about I put it down? What you gonna do then?
I told y'all I'm too OP for y'all. Too OP for y'all.
Kevin, hush.
Who is that?
Oh, I just got slipped. What are you doing? No, stop. I mean, Cassidy. Can you cut it?
Yeah. Keyston. Oh, get popped, Keyston. You got wrecked, you little noob.
You didn't even pop me. Your teammate did.
I was just saying get popped because you got popped. Dude, pass it. I can catch. Oh my gosh, Fusion.
Fusion is a beast. What are you talking about?
I know. I'm flipping. That's funny. It's funny because I'm actually passing it.
So
Nobody. Because I'm not. Oh! Ankles. Dang, I broke all of you guys' ankles. All of. That's just ankles. Straight up ankles. Straight up ankles right there.
He pushed out the end zone.
Nah, it's just ankles. It's just ankles. You can't deny it. It's just ankles. Do. Hold up. I'm currently doing something to my avatar to make him looks really cool. Torso.
Got it. I just got 3 yards gain on the fumble. On my fumble. Move, you noobs! Oh my God, these noobs got in the way.
Nobody cares. Hey, Landon, are you still here? Oh, my bird. Landon, why'd you leave? Oh, Landon left. He got mad, probably, because you kept calling him trash. See?
He didn't get mad. I heard him arguing with his mom.
Yeah, that probably happened. Wait, where's the ball?
Oh, I just got flung all around the field. I'm jumping back in.
Where's the ball?
That?
No.
Did you see it? You missed it. I got flung all around the field and lost all my stamina.
What? Yeah, I told y'all I'm too OP for y'all.
I got flung all around the stand when I jumped though, and I lost all my stamina. If I had been recording that, you saw it.
Why aren't you recording, young man?
Because I don't want to.
Why don't you want to? So you calling me an old lady, huh? Well, this old lady is whooping your behind. Interception.
No, I don't. Back up, bro. Back up.
Let's go. We're too OP for y'all. Look, Keyston missed the tackle. Told you, he exposed you. Keyston got exposed. Keyston got exposed.
I'm right beside him. What do you mean?
You got exposed. Keyston got exposed. Keyston got exposed. He hurdled you. You just got exposed. Keyston, I gotta interview you. so Mr. Wilson. How do you feel about getting exposed like that? Mr. Keyston? How do you feel about getting exposed like that?
Got it.
Oh, that's pretty strong. Got it. Yeah. So, that's some strong words right there, mister. What you? This game is cheating. Look at you.
Thanks for pushing me, teammates. Just so I can go that way.
See, let's go. Hey.
6 yards, let's go.
But not enough for the first down, no.
Them more fun.
See. Hey. Don't mess with me.
First down.
Hey, y'all not getting a touchdown though. Y'all staying at 28. Let's go. D9. It was. You didn't pancake me if I made the tackle. That was me falling from the tackle. Man, I'm a pancake you like I did earlier. Yeah, sit down, boy. Let's go.
You didn't tackle him though.
Yes, I did.
Somebody else got him.
Shut up! I tackled him, dang. That's why it was an incomplete pass. Dang, that's what you get. Oh, there goes your stamina. Rip. Scared to run to me.
What's a fat rip?
That's what you get.
All the way up.
To trash tail. Hey, so you're not gonna score. Cause you suck. You suck. Hey. I'm too OP for you. Look, sit. Sit down. I got past your block and tackled the quarterback. For a sack. It's a sack. Yeah. So
you
they call.
You didn't get past my block. I blocked you. It's just the fact that I blocked you towards him.
Let's go. And I got the tackle. That's turnover. Let's go. Clamps. Clamps. So all you gotta say is, Kevin, you got clamps. That's all you gotta say. Go ahead and say it. Hey,
boy.
I'm wet. Oh my gosh.
Easy. Give me that. Give me that ball. Dang. You don't deserve it.
But as I was saying, all you gotta say is, Kevin, you got some major clamps. Cause you don't allow stuff like that to happen.
Stupid. I was gone.
Let's go. You don't allow stuff like that to happen. Cause you get it right back. Call me Clamp Guy. Dang. And they call me the Exploser. Oh! For the first down.
Yeah, get over here.
First down, though.
Yeah, no first down.
Bad. Oops.
Yeah, boy, you're not catching it. Throw it again. I bet you it's the end.
Ah! We both messed up the dive. Come on, get the first. You suck, dude. Dang.
4th and 3. Throw it again. I bet you it's the end.
Let's go. 0 yard. What? Come on, game.
I tackled you when you first passed the line. Turnover. Let's go. Get the ball.
It's forward progress, though. Like, hey. See. No big plays.
19 yards game. That's a great game. Progress.
It's a medium game. Let's go. Clamps. Clamps. Clamps.
Block.
Clamps.
Block.
Clamps. Clamps. 24 clamps.
Block.
Let's go. I still always get the tackle. I need to. If I don't, well, then y'all probably gonna score. See.
First down.
Man. No first down.
10 yards game. Well, that's not a first down.
What? But for this game. See. Dang.
Get in there. Let's get 1 yard.
Yeah.
I bet you if I had made it in the end zone, it would have been a touchdown, though.
Yeah, probably, but you didn't, because I'm a clamp guy.
Clamp guy, huh? Clamp guy, huh? Boom, boy, get blocked. Get your mic. Ain't getting nowhere.
Clamps! Let's go! Clamps! What you talking about? Clamps. Let's go.
Not by you, though.
By me, yes. Look at these clamps. Look at these clamps. Look at these clamps. I forced him back into my teammate. That's clamps.
You never forced them anyway.
Bet I'll make the tackle though.
Block. That's block. Bet. What tackle are you talking
See, let's go. Clamps.
about? I got the tackle. Cause you're all the way over here.
Dude. That's clamps. Hey.
Your teammate makes the tackle. Throw it. I dare you.
Mine. Give me that.
That's it, boy.
Hey.
Throw it, I dare you. I bet you it's an in.
I just threw it.
Throw it again.
And last time, I just did it and it was a loss, so I can't really do that. But I'll do it anyways. Let's go.
Yeah, that's it, boy.
13 yards. And I threw it, just like you
I
said.
still got the reach on you, though. I still got down there field.
Clamps.
9 yards.
Let's go.
12.
That's the
I got one
first.
here
That's
right
all we
here.
need. We need a first. That's all we need.
Throw it up again. One more time. You're lucky you got blocked.
Ah, I got tackled. There, I threw it up 3 times and I came down with the ball. You happy? Or do you want me to moss you some more? Trash. Hey. Yeet. Woo. Exposed already. Expose him. Expose him. Let's go.
Exposed out of bounds.
I dove out on purpose.
Because you're scared.
Scared to do this? Yeet.
Yeah.
First down. Oh, never mind.
No first down, boy.
7 yards though. Let's go. What?
Yeah, boy.
I
That's
didn't even see
that's why you
him.
scared. That's what you should be scared of.
Bad. Y'all not gonna score though. Cause I'm the clamp guard. Clamps. Watch. Yep, clamps. See?
You didn't get that tackle.
I don't necessarily have to get the tackle. Just have to contain them. That's what you call clamps.
You're not containing them. You're blocked. You're blocked.
Clamps. Let's go. Sit down.
Yeah, you didn't get the tackle. Your teammate got the tackle.
I got the tackle. What you talking about?
That got the tackle.
Clamps.
Fat reach.
Clamps. Hey, sit down.
I got
I got clamps. And you know that. Sit.
walk right past y'all.
Hey.
Easy. First down.
Force the fumble. Weak tail. Hey.
Weak tail, huh? But I pick it back up easily. Back up, bro.
Oh, yeah. I'm about to get this sack. Oh, yeah. Interception. Even better. Let's go. Clamps. Give me that.
That's luck. That's luck how you got that. He walked right over it.
Oh, wow. Nice block, dude. Hey, you right there.
You should have stood behind him.
I couldn't.
Never mind.
Oh, yeah. Touchdown.
Your laggy tip.
Touchdown.
Psych,
Reach.
dog.
That's a fat reach.
Nah, man. Don't be mad because I'm fast enough to catch up.
Yeet. Oh, wow. I hiked the ball. Come on. Come on, gang.
Boy.
Oh, yeah. Offensive MVP, Vortex Medic. Let's go. Get on my level, boy. Get on my level. Hey. Deep. Oh, clamps. I told you. Clamps.
I was blocking you hard.
Clamps.
I blocked you hard.
Hey. Yeah. Well, YouTube, I'm going to end it here because, you know, I'm a clamp god. And I don't think you guys...
It wasn't all clamps, though.
You can't really...
Painting somebody is not clamp.
You can't see all my clamps, you know. So, I'll see you guys next time. Ah.